Here are the 4 major credit bureaus operating in India. Cibil. Cibil is one of the oldest and most widely used credit bureaus in India. It provides credit reports and scores to lenders. Equifax. Equifax is another prominent credit bureau in India. It offers credit reports and scores to individuals and businesses. Experian. Experian is a global credit information company operating in India. It provides credit reports and scores to help lenders assess creditworthiness. Highmark. Highmark is a credit bureau that supports lending decisions of financial institutions with credit reports and scores. Check out our other social media platform.